Our next topic is C++ streams. So what is stream? In general terms, stream is nothing but sequence of bytes flowing. Okay, it is nothing but sequence of bytes flowing. So what is this byte? 1 byte equal to 8 bits. What is this bit? Bit means 0 or 1. We call it as bit, right? See, C++ streams, this is simply nothing but sequence of bytes. So if we take C++, input or output are based on streams. Okay, so if you want to perform input or output, it is based on the streams, so which are sequence of bytes flowing in and out of the program. Okay, it is simply sequence of bytes flowing in and outside of the program, into the program and outside of the program. So in input operation, what will happen? Data flow from input source into the program. So in input operation, data flow from input source. What is this input source? Here we use keyboard for the input, right? In input operation, data flow from keyboard into the program, right? It flows in the form of sequence of bytes. So in input operation, data flow from keyboard into the program. In the same way, output operation, data flow from program to the output source, that is console. Yes, input means we will give input using keyboard into the program. Yes, that means sequence of bytes flow from input source, that is keyboard, into the program. In output operation, data byte flow from program to the display screen, that is the console. Okay, so stream acts as these streams are acting as an intermediate between the program and the actual input output devices. So see here, if it is a C++ program and these are the input and output devices, it acts in between devices, that is in between whatever is there, we call them as intermediate devices. So it acts as intermediate devices between the program and the actual input and output devices. Okay, see, C++ program, internal data format, character. So data is in the form of character, integer, float. So here input flow from keyboard file. So input stream and output can be displayed on the console file. We take input using keyboard file program. Okay, this is the input stream. So data flow from input to inside into the program and outside of the program. So outside stream is simply nothing but console, that is display screen, file, network, program, etc. Okay, this is simply about the C++ stream. What is that C++ stream? It is nothing but sequence of bytes flowing in and outside of the program. Okay, inside how it will flow? See, in input operation, data flow from input source to the, for example, keyboard to program. Yes, keyboard, we will give input through keyboard, right? So we will write the program using keyboard, right? So here data transfer from input source to the program, keyboard to program, program to console. Same, that's it. This is about the C++ streams. So our next topic is unformatted console IO operation. Okay, so we have seen the formatted console IO operation. Now we will see unformatted console IO operation, input output operation. So see here, unformatted IO operation can be divided into two categories. One is unformatted console or the standard IO operation, unformatted file IO operation. So simply here we have seen formatted console or the standard IO operation, formatted file IO operation previously, but here it is unformatted console or the standard IO operation, and next one is unformatted file operation. So coming to unformatted console or the standard input output operation. So see, when a C++ program that includes the IO stream classes so is being executed, 4 objects are created and initialized. So without knowing to us only, whenever we create the C++ program and we use this IO stream class, So automatically 4 objects that are created and initialized. Okay, what are those 4 objects are? First one is cout, cin. We use these 2 operators in the 2 objects in our C++ program in every program. Cout is for output, right? Cin is to take input. Cerr and clog. Those 2 are the additional. So these 4 are the created and initialized automatically. So coming to cout. So cout is an instance of the, so it is taken from the which class? OStream class. Cout is an instance of the OStream class. So cout is connected to the standard output device, which is usually display screen. Okay, cout is for displaying because it is, see, it is out is there now, so that means out indicates the display outside. Okay, cout is an instance of which class? So these objects are all instance of IOStream. In the same way, cout is instance of the OStream. Okay, cout is connected to the standard output device, which is usually display screen. Okay, that is for displaying only, no, cout. So it is connected to the standard output device. What is that standard output device here? That is display screen. Okay, see next. See this syntax. Character, I am declaring it as a character. String equal to hello string. Okay, so character array we are taking here. See, character string equal to hello string. So I want to print this string. How we will print this string usually? Cout, value of the string is string end line. This is for ending the line, right? So character, we are taking this string as a string array. Character string equal to hello C++. So cout, value of the string is, we are printing this string, we are printing str end line. Okay, so see the program. Int main character string equal to hello C++. Nothing we are doing here, simply I am using the object cout here. We have already done this previously in each and every program in C++. Cout, value of the string is, so I am printing this string str end line. Get ch, I am giving for getting the output quickly, and return 0 I am giving here. I am using int here, right? That is why I am using return 0 here. So what is the output I ideally get? Value of the string is, this string I need to get, right? Hello C++. Okay, this is about the cout object. Clear? This is the declaration of the character array, character string here, that is. Okay, and we are printing that string and I am displaying that string. That is simply cout is for displaying, right? This is about the cout. Similarly, when I take cin is an instance of the iStream class. So cout is instance of the OStream class, right? Here cin is the instance of the iStream class. Okay, so cin object is connected to standard input device. Previously cout object is connected to standard output device, right? So here cin object is connected to standard input device, that is usually keyboard. Okay, keyboard is the commonly used input device, right? There display screen is the commonly used output device. So how we take input? So I want to take input of the 2 variables at a time. So I am taking cin name. Again I am giving the this brackets age. Okay, that means I am taking the input at a time for 2 variables, that is name and the age. So let me take the program. See, int main character name of 50. Okay, I am giving this character string for about 50 character. Next, cout, enter your name. Okay, this is the output statement, enter your name. Cin name. So here we have to enter our name using the keyboard, right? So here how it is executed. This is executed using the class iString. Cout, your name is name. Okay, end line. That means it will end this line and it will go to the next line, return 0. So here I have int no, so that is why I am using return here. This is about the cin object. Okay, we have seen the two objects, that is first one is cout and the second one is cin. Okay, next cerr and clog we see in the next class. Thank you.